China is shooting for the moon. The country plans to put its own astronauts on the moon by 2030. The Chinese government says its lunar ambitions have now been kickstarted as it races to meet the goal.
China's track record in technological achievements has been nothing short of impressive. From their rapid growth in the space industry to the development of cutting-edge artificial intelligence systems, China has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation. With accomplishments like landing rovers on the moon and launching the world's first quantum satellite, their commitment to scientific progress is undeniable. And now, China has recently revealed a super-advanced technology that's getting everyone excited. But before we go any further, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's get started. First, let's journey back in time to understand where it all began. China's space odyssey took flight in the 1950s when they embarked on developing rocket and satellite technologies. Fast forward to the present day, and we find ourselves in the era of the remarkable Tiangong space station, completed in November 2022. This celestial masterpiece is China's very own heavenly palace, making it the third permanently crewed space station orbiting Earth after the ISS and Mir. It's not just any space station, it's the largest and most complex, stretching over 220 feet in length and weighing in at a whopping 60 tons. China has transformed from a space novice to a launch powerhouse. In the past decade, they've launched over 200 rockets, more than doubling their previous decade's achievements. And in 2022 alone, they were responsible for 54 orbit missions, setting their sights on over 60 in 2023. If they keep up this pace, they might even challenge SpaceX, the reigning space launch king, with their plans to reach 100 missions this year. So what's the secret behind China's stellar success? It's undoubtedly their Tiangong space station project, which has propelled them into the cosmic limelight. With the station's modular design, it's become a beacon of innovation, not just for scientific research, but also for commercial endeavors like space tourism and telecommunications. China's ambition knows no bounds, as they plan to launch a fleet of more than 100 microsatellites, each armed with X-ray telescopes. This cosmic endeavor, known as the Space-Based Multi-Telescope or RFTA project, is orchestrated by the Chinese Academy of Sciences, CAS. Imagine a constellation of small satellites peering deep into space in search of high-energy X-rays emanating from the universe's most enigmatic entities, black holes, neutron stars, and supernovae. These high-energy X-rays are elusive to traditional telescopes, but not to the SMTA. With its X-ray vision, it will decipher secrets about the formation and evolution of these cosmic powerhouses, unraveling mysteries that have long eluded us. This colossal project comes with a price tag of around $1 billion, a testament to China's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. With over 300,000 dedicated individuals working tirelessly on China's space projects, nearly 18 times NASA's workforce, their relentless efforts are paying off. On July 12, 2023, China's private space Titan Landspace launched the UK-2 rocket powered by methane, a remarkable feat that marked a significant milestone. It's worth noting that this was the first time a methane-fueled rocket achieved orbit, catapulting China ahead of the competition, including SpaceX. The UK-2 rocket is a medium-lift marvel, capable of transporting up to 6,000 kilograms to low Earth orbit. It boasts four T12 Methalox engines in the first stage and one TK12 vacuum-optimized engine in the second. What's particularly exciting is that methane is a cleaner, more abundant fuel than traditional rocket propellants, making it an ideal choice for reusable rockets. Its lower corrosiveness and ease of handling make it a game-changer in the world of space exploration. A historic event took place on May 14, 2021. It was a day when China etched its name in the annals of space exploration by successfully landing the Zhurong rover on Mars. This remarkable feat made China the second country after the United States to achieve such a monumental milestone. The Jurang rover embarked on its interplanetary journey on July 23, 2020, entering Martian orbit on February 10, 2021. After months of meticulous maneuvering, it gracefully descended to its landing site in Utopia Planitia, a vast plain on the Red Planet's northern hemisphere. China's space team executed this complex maneuver with surgical precision. Within minutes, the Jurang rover was transmitting valuable data back to Earth, solidifying its place in history. The Chang'e 5 lunar sample return mission, launched on November 24, 2020, signified a quantum leap in lunar exploration. It marked China's triumphant return to the Moon after the Soviet Union's Lunar 24 mission in 1976. This mission was a monumental technological achievement, making China the third nation to bring lunar samples back to Earth, following in the footsteps of the United States and the Soviet Union. The Chang'e 5 spacecraft, composed of various modules, successfully returned with 731 g of lunar samples. Scientists worldwide are eagerly analyzing these precious specimens. The success of Chang'e 5 has paved the way for the Chang'e 6 lunar sample return mission, scheduled for 2024, which will collect samples from the lunar South Pole, unraveling the Moon's early history. China achieved a remarkable milestone on October 24, 2021, with the launch of the Shenzhen-21 satellite, its first quantum communication satellite. This satellite, propelled into space by a Long March 3B rocket, was designed not just for quantum communications but also to test and validate space debris mitigation technologies. The satellite's mission, initially shrouded in secrecy, was later described as an on-orbit service, assembly, and manufacturing (OSAM). The Shenzhen-21 satellite showcased its incredible capabilities in December 2021 by docking with the defunct Beta-2G2 navigation satellite. B2G2, launched in 2011, had failed to reach its intended orbit and posed a hazard to other satellites. Shenzhen-21, armed with robotic arms, grappled B2G2 and towed it to a higher graveyard orbit. This extraordinary ability of Shenzhen-21 reduces the risk of collisions between satellites and space debris, ensuring a safer celestial environment. The Tianwen-1 Mars orbiter, lander, and rover embarked on their mission on July 23, 2020, from the Wenchang spacecraft launch site. This mission marked China's first independent venture to the Red Planet, carried by a Long March 5 heavy-lift launch vehicle. After a 7-month journey, Tianwen-1 entered Mars orbit on February 10, 2021. This mission aimed to explore Martian surface geology, search for signs of water, and study the planet's environment. The lander and rover, named Jurang, separated from the orbiter on May 14, 2021, with Jurang becoming China's first rover to touch down on Martian soil. Armed with advanced scientific instruments, including a radar to probe the Martian surface for water ice, Jurang's mission is nothing short of historic. Tianwen-1's accomplishments include orbiting, landing, and deploying a rover on Mars in a single mission, a monumental achievement expected to last for at least one Martian year, equivalent to 687 Earth days. Launched on October 16, 2021, from the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center, the Shenzhou-13 crewed mission marked the second crewed venture to the Tianhe core module of the Tiangong space station. The Shenzhou-13 spacecraft carried 3 astronauts, Zhai Jigang, Wang Yaping, and Yi Guangfu. The successful docking with the Tianhe module initiated a 6-month stay during which astronauts conducted a myriad of scientific experiments, including studies on plant growth in space, and performed 2 awe-inspiring spacewalks. China's rapid growth as a spacefaring nation is undeniable, and its contributions to space exploration are increasingly significant. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the new development that has the potential to completely change the way we do things. Well, in July 2023, they launched the Long March 5B rocket, China's largest and most powerful rocket. This mighty rocket, first launched in November 2016, is capable of launching heavy payloads into orbit. In its latest mission, it carried the Wentian space station module into orbit, demonstrating China's prowess in space technology. The Long March 5B, characterized by a unique design where its first and largest stage also serves as the upper stage, is a testament to China's commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. Its first stage, weighing over 23 tons, made history as the heaviest rocket stage to re-enter Earth's atmosphere uncontrolled.